Okay, this is so exciting. Just so exciting right here because we're about to finally succeed in setting up the right server, own server on Gamesalad, and the problem was that I actually somehow didn't have the right database name once again. So I just logged in again and checked the database name on the correct server and just copied it and pasted it, and that was the actual correct name. So it's, yeah, because if you remember from video 1 and 2, I actually didn't realize I was logged in under another server, which I have. So that's all solved, and everything should match up. And so we reload. Oh my goodness, that is a sign. To the untrained eye, that looks like a bunch of weird text, but that's a sign that you've succeeded. That is a cause for going and getting a cup of coffee if you see that page with that random text, because that means that you're going well. Okay, so copy the URL in. Happy holidays / and then get used PHP. Click play, and then I just realized we have no way of actually seeing whether we're successful. So I'll make another app, another object actor called display text. Okay, make it a bit bigger. Go into it, and what can you do? You can display some text. I think that would suit you quite well. And so the text you can display will be displaying a value from a table, and probably not white on white. It'll be good. So insert function, table cell value, table game GSHam, row and column 1, because that's like the, why not? It's quite an obvious choice, and there's no way to, it's not very responsive. So I'll make another display text, and when you're pressing down on the button, it'll say something like receiving, just more user friendly. Yeah, okay, just giving that a bit of feedback. Yep, okay. And I'll also display the callback attribute, because that will display, that basically tells you whether or not it's actually connecting to anything. So call me, and that'll be a 1 or a 0, and you can be a subtle blue, and you can be a bit further down on the page. So that's -20. So, okay, so it changes. So it's actually talking to something on the other end, the URL, but there's no text coming up. And the reason for that is actually that there's no text that's been written there, because the entire table is blank. So what we're going to do now is we're going to insert something into the table, just a random comment to test it. So you can be using servers is fun, exclamation marks, and random digits here, and press go. So it's got one thing in the table, which is that. So if you click on browse, you can see, that's the first thing. So I click on it. Oh my goodness, it's working. Yes, using servers is fun. It is. Wow. Okay, yeah, that took me a long time to figure out how to do. So I hope that by making these videos, you will not have to suffer as much as I did.